Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to talk about MT4, how to navigate everything and see. Some people are trying to tell me, or some people are complaining that I need to show how the environment works. So in this video I'm going to show how the environment operate and work. Today I'm not going to use any PDF. So we are on episode 10. I think episode 10. So everyone needs practical to understand. So this is the platform that we use. If you don't have it, MT4. If you don't have it, you enter Play Store. You go Play Store and press MT4. MT4. So this is it. I need to even update mine. Let me update it. I pray it should not waste time. So let me pause and wait so that I don't want to make this video long. When it updates, I will return back. Okay, it's already loading sharp. So it have downloaded finished. So we open it. After you have downloaded, you open it. So this is the interface. This is how it look like. This is the interface. This is the bar. This is the toolbar. Like here is the currency code. Look as they are moving, low and the high. This is the spread. The spread of GBP/USD is 11, and it is to change. Mind you, spread is to change. Forget about the people that are telling you they are broker, tight spread, tight spread. Yes, there is tight spread, but look at GBP/USD is 11. Look at this number that is changing. This is good. It's 22. Look at this EUR/USD. It's 8. Here is 2. I think the lowest one is 8. It's EUR/USD that has the lowest spread, as I'm saying it. Look here, 11. So here is the high and low. So what we do here, we check all our currency lists. Then here we check our chart analysis. This is our chart. This is our chart. Anywhere you see this red candle is for selling. Then this yellow candle up is for buying. Let me come back to H4. So this is our time frame. This one is 1 minute. 1 minute. Then this is 5 minutes. Then this is 15 minutes. This 5 is for 5 minutes. Look at it as you can see. Then 15 minutes. If I press 15 minutes, this is for 15 minutes as you can see. If I press 30 minutes, this is for 30 minutes. I will see what happened previously in the market. Like here, the market break, engulfing buy. It's break. So here is trying to retest. So when market reach here, I might start to enter a trade for a sell. Yeah. So here is H1. You can see this here is showing H4, 4 hour. Then daily, what happened to the daily candle. Then weekly, what happened within the week, all is on downtrend. It's on downtrend, what happened. Then monthly, this is what is happening. Monthly, this is what happened. Monthly, to give overview of what happened last 3 years ago. Like you can see here, it's 2006, 2007. I don't even know about trading by then. But look at it. But now, because of computer age, and I can see the history of what happened, how the price move, or how the market behave when price reach that certain level. So as we are going, here is arrow. Here is arrow where you will see your trade, your position. Look at this, your position. Then here you will see your profit. Then here is your equity balance. Then here is your equity plus your profit plus this, if you check. Then here is envelope where you close your position. Let me see. Today, let me see today. Okay, today I closed trade 0. This, but look at this, is still going on. So this is it. Here is to check history. Here is to check news. MT4 provide news. MT4 provide news. So this what provide. Look at Euro GBP price analysis, struggle, this and that. There are many things news attached. If you open, you will read them. Then here is for you to register. If you want to register on the platform, you see your unique ID. So this number they used to give people. This is your MT4 number. If you want to link, some service provider use it to connect and be sending you signal. Yeah, that's how they do it with this number. So when we come back here as you can see, here is setting, where you can change some certain things. Here is where you change your color. So I prefer this, my color, I love them. So here you press customize if you want to change it, but the default color is green and red. So these are my color that I decided to choose. You can change whatsoever you want to change, and then you press done. Here to show volume, here data window. Let me see, it will show. When you press, just try to navigate and check their usage. Advanced, like here, if you up here, you will see here, look at how it is like ugly. There's no low and high, so I prefer using the full features advanced. Yeah, then here is for candlestick. If you want to see the candlestick, like handle, if you want to be in line chart, you press line chart. So look at what happened on line chart. Some people use line chart to analyze their market very, very well. They use this line chart to analyze. And also there are 3 types of chart on only MT4. They are limited bar chart. Look at it. Some people still use it to make money. But me, I don't like this. I cannot understand it. But if you have trading view, don't worry. As we go further, I will teach you how to use trading view also. So I'll go back to my normal candlestick. So look at this. So remember, every candle have opening price and closing price. For a buy candle, this is the opening price, this is the closing price, and this is the body. Opening price, closing price, then this is the body. So this candle have go up. This is on 5-minute time frame, and this candle is called engulfing buy. Now, as test goes on, I will teach you how to analyze and how to show. This is M5, this engulfing candle. Then here is for navigation. Here is to use your tools. Look at it, many things: trend line, vertical line, how is to show, arrow, envelope, whatever, Fibonacci, retracement is here. People that love Fibonacci, look at it if you want to put it so that you can check retracement and use it to place your trade and make profit. So all the idea. So if you want to delete it, you press delete. This is where you find them, you press plus. These are all the items. This is where I used to find the rectangle. Then if you come back here is for indicator. People will say Ichimoku, moving average. Yes, they love using 24 moving average. Look at it, this is the red line. This is it, the moving average. So you press here, you press plus. If you want to put moving average again, you put, since it's 24, let me make it 12. Let me put 12 so that you will see. So this is at 12 and 24. This is the moving average. And you can change the color if you wish to. From red, change it to yellow. Then you go back. Did you see it? It starts change the moving average. So this is what you do. If you want to delete, you press delete. You click it up, then you delete. And this is our indicator, MACD, relative strength index, stochastic. Let me use this. I used this when I was a newbie. I love using this. So this is what I do. When price reach here, I will buy. When price reach here, I will sell. This it still is to work, but you have to know your risk to reward management. Like, let me use example here to show you. Like, look at when price reach down here, you buy. So look at when the price reach. Look at it when price was here. Look at it was here. You can buy and hold and go up. If you reach here, you go out. So these are what we use when we are newbie. But now we just chart pattern and candlestick formation to enter our trade. So if you want to delete this window, you press here, you press delete. This is it. So this is the full navigation of MT4. Anything you need to know here is to check centralize and to know the data, the accurate price. Here is to check currency, to change the pair you want to use. Like, you want to open gold, just press. You don't need to press here. You press, you change to Euro JPY. Here is to execute trade. I think that's all for MT4. So on the next episode, I'm going to talk about MT5, because many people use MT5 also. So that is it. So try